Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 11, 12 and 13 of exercise 14.4 and in these statements you have to find the mathematical error. So let's find in the first part. It is given that y minus 3 whole square equals to y square minus 9. In this case what has been done is you have directly squared y and you have directly squared 3 which is 9. So this is a correct method to solve it. This is the incorrect method to solve it. The correct method is this is y minus 3 whole square, and to expand this we have to use a certain formula which is a minus b whole square. So we know that a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the formula, and if you want to expand this, or you can say if you want to solve this, you have to solve this by using this formula. So this is Ra which is y and Rb is 3. So in place of this, but a square which is y square plus b square which is 9 square and minus 2 into a into b. So instead of directly squaring this, we have to expand this by this way. So if I further solve it, this is y square, this is 9 and this is 6y, because 3 square is 9 and this is 6y. So that should be the correct answer here. Now let me explain you why it is so. We know that x square basically means x multiplied with x. Similarly, if I am saying this whole square, this actually means y minus 3 multiplied with y minus 3. So this whole square means this again multiplied with same thing. And when you have to solve this, these are two terms, these are two terms, and when you have to solve this, you have to multiply this term with both the terms, and you have to multiply this with again both the terms, and in that case this formula is generated. Either you can multiply it this way, or either you can use this simple formula directly. You will get your answer. This thing which I am trying to make you clear, we will do it here in this 13 part. Now till then what you have to do is, if you see this, you just have to use your formula. And if you want to know why this formula is this only, you can check our videos on fundamental. In their algebra you will get to know how this formula is formed. Similarly, if you want to solve this question, again this is a plus b whole square, and you can't expand, or you can say you can't solve it by directly squaring this and this, but instead you have to expand this by using the formula which says a square plus b square plus 2ab, and Ra is z square, so a plus b whole square can be written as z square plus 5 square plus 2 into z into 5. So this is equals to z square is z square, 5 square is 25, plus this is 5 multiplied with 2, so this is 10, and 10 multiplied by z is 10z. So this should be the answer instead of this. Now let's solve this. Here you will get to know how we are doing, or you can say why we are using formula but not squaring directly. So in this case, if you want to solve this, what you have to do is you have to multiply this 2a with this and with B. And similarly, you have to multiply 3 with A and this with this. This is same as when you multiply 33 with 33, you have to multiply this 3 with 3 and then this 3 with this 3. After that, you have to multiply this 3 with this 3 and this with 3 with this 3. Means you are multiplying all the terms with each others. Here also, these are two terms. This plus this, these are two terms, and again these are two terms. If you want to solve, you have to multiply each term with another. So similarly here also I have to multiply this with A. So 2A when multiplied by A should give 2A square, because A multiplied by A, bases are same, power will be added. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus now you have to multiply this with the another term. So 2A multiplied by B should give, this is plus minus is minus, so 2AB would be the answer. Now you have to multiply 3 with A, so 3AB would be the answer. After that 3B when multiplied by B should give plus minus is minus, and 3 and B multiplied by another B should give B square. Bases are same, again the power will be added. Now further solving this and this is like term, because here also the variable are AB, here also the variable are AB. So these are called like terms, and like terms can be solved. So the other terms will be remain as it is. So plus minus is minus, so 3 minus 2 is 1 with positive sign, greater value has positive sign. So 1AB will remain and minus 3B square will be as it is. So our answer should be 2A square plus AB minus 3B square. So this should be the answer, not this. You can't just multiply this with A and this with this. You have to multiply this with both the terms. Then only your answer will be correct. This is how you can solve this. If you want to know how these formulas are formed, or if you want to know more about the fundamentals of algebra, you can see our videos on algebra. Thank you.